Hello everyone, my name is Juan, and I will be presenting in this video. Today, we will explore one of the most beautiful masterpieces in art history. Let's begin. To see the artwork we will go to the Museum of Modern Art in New York, one of the most famous modern art museums in the world. The piece is The Starry Night, painted in 1889. It depicts the night sky over the countryside near Arles in France. The painting is widely recognized for its distinctive post-impressionist style. I choose this painting because its swirling sky and vibrant color immediately captured my imagination. The painting feels alive and emotional, and it draws me in every time I look at it. In this presentation, I will analyze this work through five formal elements: composition, color, line, shape, and texture. Composition. Looking at the painting, we can see a small village at the bottom, while the vast majority of the canvas is occupied by the sky. This emphasizes the centrality of the heavens. Yet, rising vertically in the foreground is a dark cypress tree that disrupts the horizontal calm of the village. These contrasts create tension and imbalance within the composition. Color. Although it is a night scene, the sky is filled with bright yellow stars and a deep blue background. The strong contrast of color transforms the sky into something far more vibrant than a typical night, suggesting a sense of beauty and transcendence. Line. The painting is composed of short and thick brush strokes. This line give movement to the clouds, making the sky swirl dynamically. This energetic stroke allows us to feel as though the heavens are alive and in motion. Shape. While the village appears still and quiet, the sky above forms large swirling shape. This juxtaposition between the static and the dynamic heightens the sense of the contrast, allowing the viewer to experience both calmness and lustrelessness at the same time. Last is texture. The bold brushstroke also creates a textured, almost three-dimensional effect. The paint seems to rise from the canvas, making the scene feel tangible and alive. And who drew this painting? He is Vincent van Gogh. Van Gogh was born in 1853 in the Netherlands and died at the age of 37. His life was marked by poverty, loneliness, and struggles with mental illness. And why did Van Gogh paint the Starry Night? One of the pivotal events in his life was his falling out with his only true friend, fellow painter Paul Gauguin. When Paul Gauguin left, Van Gogh was devastated. Already unrecognized in his time and plagued by insecurity, this loss deepened his anxiety. In his despair, the Van Gogh famously cut off part of his ear and admitted himself to mental hospital at Saint-Remy. It was during his stay there that he painted The Starry Night. For Van Gogh, the night sky was not a dark void, for the lagoon filled with vibrant blue, purples, and green. He once said, I often think that the night is more alive and more richly colored than the day. For him, the stars and the sky symbolized hope and meaning. Although dismissed during his lifetime, this work later became recognized as a precursor to Expressionism, inspiring future generations of artists. Now we run the cultural, historical, and contextual facts of Van Gogh. Then let us revisit the painting with Van Gogh's life in mind. Dominance of the sky over the small village reflects his fascination with the heaven. The night sky and stars are his hope. The towering cypress tree may symbolize his longing to reach the star, his personal symbol of hope. The vivid color reveal his belief that the night contained more richness and vitality than the day. The colorful star and night means the impression of Gohu. The swirling cloud and turban line express his inner anxiety and sense of loss because of the Gauguin. Finally, the textural brushstroke embodied not realism but Van Gogh's emotion and impression of the world. In conclusion, Van Gogh's Starry Night captures not only a scene of nature but also his state of mind, his struggles, his hope, his own way of seeing the world. We can connect impression, depressing mind, hope in the night sky and star to composition, line, shape, and color. Though ignored in his time, the painting became a cornerstone of the modern art, deeply influencing Expressionism. Thanks to today's virtual museum, we can appreciate this masterpiece more easily than ever before. Thank you for joining me in exploring the Starry Night. Thank you.